What's up, everybody? Ricky T, CFGLA, your flamenco guitar coach, at you today with a quick tip about how to study. This is how I study. Take a look. This is my Duende notebooks. When I really got serious with flamenco just a few years ago, I really started buckling down and studying. And look, these are full of my notes, right? Full of notes, full of data. I got Duende 1, Duende 2, Duende 3, Duende 4, Duende 5, Duende 6 is about 2/3 of the way done. Look, I used to start them off with the cadence por medio, because por medio is the most important, as I always say. Got that nice circular fifth there. But look, study. Confirm your knowledge. Study because it will confirm what you know, which will make you more comfortable in playing, which will make you play better. Enjoy your art. Appreciate your craft. Asa.